Hey guys, come along with me as I do my hair. I'm taking down my wig. That was the Brazilian deep wave. And I'm going to take down my hair and wash and condition it. You guys asked me what my hair care routine is because my hair's been growing fast. And it has. Since I've shaved it off, it has been growing fast. But I just wash, condition, and oil my scalp. That's it. But I think the number one thing is the protective styling, wearing wigs. So here's my new unit by Mayvenn. And it is so pretty. It's a Malaysian body wave. So I made an appointment with my hairstylist to braid down my hair for me and apply it because I'm not very good at doing it myself. So that's why I go out and get it done. And she's sewing it down. No glue. I don't use any glue anymore because I had an allergic reaction to it and it was itching so bad that I was scratching it and I was bleeding. So I don't do any glue. Plus it's way better this way. No mess. I don't have to deal with that sticky mess. So as you can see, this is the result. A middle part, no baby hairs. What do we think?